So 1955 Buick Century. We did some work on this one a year or two ago, and now it's back. It's got a few leaks and things. You know, you're always doing something on these cars, but he had a little bit of a end up getting a pinhole in his rad, and we need to do some transmission seals. And the way this is with a torque tube, we have to pull the rear end out and slide everything out from there to get to the transmission to get it out. So you either have to pull the motor from the front or the rear end out, and these ones, our choice is to drop the rear differential and the whole assembly and roll it out to get the transmission out. And then we can reseal the torque tube. But it's a gorgeous car. Pretty. It's just, it is pretty. Not just it's, I mean, it is a pretty mint 55. Just the styling, this nice little V8 in there, power steering, automatic. I mean, this car is something that, everybody, they see them and they just say, wow, this mid 50s Buick is, it's stunning. And this job, we did a few things for it a couple of years ago, and now it's back for more maintenance. That's basically it. These things, we're going to end up putting a little carburetor kit in it. The new ethanol fuels are really hard on the old carburetors, and you try to run non-ethanol fuel, but sometimes you just can't. But this is just another thing of maintenance with the vehicles. I mean, it looks beautiful. Everything about the car is great. Got a few little running hiccups and some oil leaks and things. So, getting those fixed up right now is a big point so they can get out and finish the summer with it. We're pretty jammed in here for sure. A few cars that are getting ready to go. This is just showing up. Now this is a 71 Maverick Grabber. It has a wide body kit put on it, some fender flares, different things. It was at another shop, and they, for quite a few years, and a lot of things are, done okay. Some of the other stuff on it's kind of wild. And they were trying to put I don't think they ended up finishing what they were going to be doing on the back, because leaving this drop down the way it is it's unfinished. So I think there was more to be done with it at the time, but these projects get started and stopped for various reasons, and this one got stopped, and then the customer decided he wanted us to take it in and finish it and do the job that he wants done on it. Some of the fabrication and things for it need a lot of little extras, but they've done some interesting work. We've got a donor vehicle, 2012 Mustang, that we're going to be mounting the new style dash in, new style interior. We are going to be doing something with this 4.6 liter motor. The engine itself is a little bit suspect right now. We don't know why certain things were done with it, so we've just pulled the head off and found that we have cam issues and things. So I think we're going to maybe discuss another power plant for it. Some of the work has already been done in the front end for us, so we just have to double check it and see where we can go with it now. One of the ideas with this one is to give it that low road racing type of feel to it, and give it modern driveline, and rear end's already in it. So, a lot of things need to be done to it just to finish it up. Body's pretty straight, which is really nice to see. Just a few odds and ends to fix up on that before we can move ahead with it. Just clean up some of the angles, clean up, that back end piece, what I'm not a big fan of. And customer He's owned this car since he was 15 years old. So it's pretty cool that we're getting it now to make the project come to fruition and make it something that he can drive and then pass on to his family members.